Are you tired of feeling stuck in your career? Are you ready to take control of your professional life and manifest the success you deserve? Look no further than the law of attraction. In this video, we'll be going over the basics of the law of attraction and how you can use it to achieve success in your career. From real-life success stories to practical tips and techniques, this video will provide you with everything you need to know to start manifesting your dream job today. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to use the law of attraction to take your career to the next level. First, let's start with the basics. The law of attraction is the belief that positive or negative thoughts can attract corresponding experiences or events into our lives. In other words, if you focus on positive thoughts and feelings, you'll attract positive experiences and opportunities. To use the law of attraction for career success, you'll need to start by setting clear and specific career goals. Be specific about what you want to achieve, whether it's a promotion, a raise, or a new job. Once you have your goals in mind, you'll need to start visualizing yourself achieving them. Visualization is a key component of the law of attraction, and it's important that you take the time to really imagine yourself in the career of your dreams. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and imagine yourself in the role you want to be in. See yourself in the office, working on the projects you want to work on and interacting with the people you want to interact with. Make the visualization as detailed and realistic as possible. Another important aspect of the law of attraction is affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself on a regular basis. They can help to reprogram your mind and align your thoughts with your goals. When it comes to career success, affirmations can be used to help you believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. For example, you can say, "I am confident and capable in my job. I am successful in my career." Or, "I am able to achieve my goals." Repeat these affirmations to yourself several times a day, and try to really believe in what you're saying. Another way to use the law of attraction for career success is to take action. Having a positive attitude and visualizing your goals is important, but it's also important to take action toward achieving them. This could mean networking, applying for jobs, or taking on extra responsibilities at work. By taking action, you're showing the universe that you're serious about your goals and that you're willing to put in the work to achieve them. One well-known example of the law of attraction in action is the story of Jim Carrey. In the late 1980s, Carrey was a struggling actor and comedian, but he had a dream of making it big in Hollywood. He wrote himself a check for $10 million and dated it for 5 years in the future. He wrote, "For acting services rendered," on the memo line, and kept the check in his wallet as a reminder of his goal. Fast forward 5 years, and Carrey had landed the lead role in the hit movie, Ace Ventura: Pet Detective, which earned him $10 million. This is a perfect example of how the law of attraction can be used to manifest your desires, even when it comes to career success. Another example is Oprah Winfrey, who is one of the most successful media personalities in the world. Oprah has spoken publicly about her use of the law of attraction and how she visualized herself as a successful talk show host long before she landed her own show. She would imagine herself on the set, interacting with her audience, and receiving positive feedback. By visualizing herself in this role, she was able to attract the opportunity to host her own show. The law of attraction can also be used to manifest success in the business world. Self-made millionaire and author of Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill, wrote about the use of the law of attraction in his book, describing how successful individuals such as Andrew Carnegie and Henry Ford used visualization and positive thinking to manifest their wealth. Another way to use the law of attraction for career success is to surround yourself with positive, supportive people. The people in your life can have a huge impact on your thoughts and emotions, so it's important to surround yourself with individuals who will lift you up and support your goals. It's also important to let go of limiting beliefs and negative thoughts that may be holding you back from achieving your career goals. These limiting beliefs can manifest as self-doubt, fear of failure, or a lack of confidence. By identifying and letting go of these limiting beliefs, you can open yourself up to new opportunities and experiences. One of the most important things to remember when using the law of attraction is to be consistent and patient. It's not enough to simply visualize your goals once and then wait for them to materialize. You need to be actively working towards your goals every day, and have faith that the universe will bring them to you. There are many books on the law of attraction, such as The Secret by Rhonda Byrne and Manifesting with the Masters by Dr. Joe Vitale, which go into much more depth on the subject and provide practical exercises and techniques to help you apply the law of attraction in your life. In conclusion, the law of attraction is a powerful tool that can help you achieve career success. By setting clear and specific goals, visualizing yourself achieving them, using affirmations, surrounding yourself with positive, supportive people, and taking action, you can attract the opportunities and experiences you need to reach your career aspirations. Remember to be consistent and patient, and don't give up on your goals. With the power of the law of attraction on your side, you can manifest the career you've always dreamed of. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.